Hi, it's Lorna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. I have been sent some clothes, so I'm gonna show you right away. The brand is CherryKitten. I was kind of delighted when I received the proposition for this collaboration, because I had a look at their website and I pretty like it. It's not that, how can I say, it's not super goth. It's a particular type of fashion, so you might not like it. It's mostly t-shirt with prints, and I'm gonna show you. They reached out to me because I talk a lot about mental health on social media, and they contacted me saying, we saw that you liked talking about mental health or other topics, and so I accepted this collaboration because I'm not gonna say bullshit to you. I like receiving clothes for free, not gonna lie. And this brand, I have been checking it yeah, several times, and I was like, I don't really want to buy something on their website because I have a ton of clothes, and as you know, I have very tiny space. So if one day I buy something from them, it would be really something that I can wear often, even as a PJ. You're gonna see why I mentioned the fact that I might wear some of their clothes as PJ. It's because what they do is, yeah, printed t-shirt with some basic, really kind of a little bit political phrases on it, but always with a tone of sarcasm, and I like it. They also have other type of clothes. Anyway, let's go right into it so you can see what I'm talking about. It arrived in this little package and everything was in one little zipper like this, not like one for each. I have 3 pieces, so it's not like a, you know, Shein where you have a lot more of packaging. Anyway, let's dig in. Not gonna lie, I had a little look and I'm pretty happy about it. So the first one is this one that I chose. You're gonna say it's a bit weird if you don't know the word. It's a little crop top like this. So I chose the word brat. Yes, why not? So the website is, you know, a bit more oriented with mental health, LGBTQA rights, also very, how can I say, sexual orientation, very focused on this. And I like this. No, I was not going to take something else. I like the little brat, like I do what I want when I want. I'm a bit of a brat, so I like it. And of course we know the double meaning. I'm not gonna lie, I know the double meaning, but I liked it, and I like that it's black with this color. So as you can see, it's a bit like this, the material, and I super like it. It's a very nice touch, really. It's a bit stretchy like this, so I'm gonna try it afterwards. I'm gonna show you, but for now, as a little crop top, I think it will be nice. So yeah, this one, I really like the touch. It's really soft, and this is not like, you know, just sticking out of the material. It's really printed in, so this is a good thing. So this is the first little crop top. I'm going to show you the next one that I think is my favorite. It's this one. This Barbie is neurodivergent, and I think I couldn't do this unboxing without taking something a bit more mental health oriented, something a bit more, neurotypical, and I pretty like that the font is the same that Barbie. I'm not sure if they had other type of, you know, shape, but you can find some of the prints. I think that the Brat one, you can find it on other colors, maybe in a t-shirt shape. Anyway, this one I took like this, which is kind of a bit cropped too, and I'm definitely sure that this is gonna fit me, so this will be in the try on too. But for now, I really like it. So this is a size, I think I took everything as XL. I'm just gonna check. No, this is XXL, because it size, you have the guide size anyway, but it's like super small, so yeah, be careful about it. The third thing I'm gonna show you, I think it's too small. Gonna show you anyway, but I think it's, yeah, it might be too small. But this one and this one, I'm just gonna check off. 2XL, might be 2XL, this one too. Yeah, 2XL. Yeah, because I saw the gut size and I was like, this is not gonna work, I think. So I might try something a bit higher, and maybe, you know, just put it maybe inside a skirt or something. But it was definitely a good idea. This, I think it came into 1XL only, but it's a bit stretched, and so it's a long dress. They do some dresses, not too much, but they do some dresses, and I like this. As you can see, I'm kind of a bit of a Liberty print girl, and I don't have a lot of, you know, very light colors, so I guess it's something like this, and then you do a little knot here, I guess. I really hope that my bust is not too big for this, and I guess this will be okay. The material is kind of a bit cheap, I'm not gonna lie. I prefer their t-shirt. I think they choose well that basic t-shirt on which they print the phrases. But for this, I don't know if you can see, kind of a bad spandex perhaps, I don't know. They have a little thread, so I am not 100%, it's nice, but I'm not 100% satisfied by this. So I don't know, as it's pretty, and as I cross my finger that it's gonna, you know, fit me, I don't know. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is, I have not so much space as you can see, so this is what I can do. Anyway, this is the little crop top. It seemed really bigger when I was holding it. I don't know if I think I'm super thin or anything, but this is super small for a size XXL. Which means I've already took one size bigger than what I actually took. So maybe you can take like, don't care about my, don't mind my little shorty. So yeah, it's size super small. Let's try the other one. Same, but it's really more, it's way more stretchy than the other one, so I kind of really like it. I really like this one. I think I'm really gonna wear it. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it outside or not, but I'm feeling super comfortable. I really like this material. It's really soft. So as you can see, it's short like this. I can show you a bit of my belly. It's better since I'm working out. I couldn't do this some months before. I would never show you my belly, but anyway, as you can see, it's really good. And I don't have a huge breast. It's only my I don't think I do. It's only my bra. Okay, this is super weird, but actually it worked, and I now get it. Sorry, I kept my bra because I didn't know how I was gonna do the little, you know, neckline or anything. I didn't want to show you everything. Actually, this is the same thread that this, as you can see. So if I pull it here, it goes like this. So I can actually tighten up a bit more. And this smoked part is super elastic, super stretchy. So it's very nicely, you know, see, I took the larger size, and I think the larger size was an XL. I can't see the tag. But anyway, for this little, for this dress, I took the larger size and it finally fit. I'm gonna try to show you the length. I don't know if you can see, but it's super long. I don't think you can see anything. I'm really sorry. This is also why I don't do try on anymore. It's useless. As you can see, it's nice. I like it. I really like it. It's a nice summer dress, which I don't think I will wear a lot. Like, I wear a lot of black, but there was not so many black dresses on their website that I liked, so this is why I took this one, and it's pretty nice, I think. I don't know, but maybe, you know, if I go on holiday, perhaps, you know, just putting my feet in the water at night. It's like a really comfy dress. It's just that it's really synthetic, so if you don't really like this material, sure, you're not gonna like this dress. I don't know. Anyway, it's a really nice surprise. So I hope you liked this little haul. Thank you again, CherryKitten, for the collaboration. I really liked digging into the website and seeing all the phrases. There were some really funny phrases. You can see all the recommendation that people, you know, give them a lot of 5 stars. There's a lot of happy customers. I didn't pay any fees from Europe. I think that it is a US website, which might be, you know, made in China or something. Let's just check, but you know, at the feeling of the last fabric, I guess it is made in China. This is not written. I don't even know. What is this? So you can see this is the brand CherryKitten, and you can see that it is made in PRC. What is PRC? I have no idea. But anyway, yeah, I like this one. You know, as I rather, you know, wear some dresses, or perhaps, you know, kit style dresses, or I don't know, vintage dresses too, or a band t-shirt. I don't think this is something I'm really gonna wear outside. I don't know, perhaps this is mostly something that I gonna wear inside, and as I want to update my PJs, because I think PJs are something that you should be, you know, proud of wearing also, because sometimes, I don't know, like when there's some postman just knocking at the door and I'm like, oh my god, what I'm wearing, like this old, you know, PJ, I just want to update it a bit, like, you know, black plain legging and something like this. It's not so bad. So I guess this is also very good, and this is totally something that I can wear outside of it. Actually, it's funny, in French no one knows what it means, so I don't know, perhaps. Anyway, this was the little haul. Again, thank you, CherryKitten. I will put the link in the description box. I am not sure. I'm gonna write it down if I have a discount code. I think I do. If I don't, I think I have the discount code. If I have one, it will be in the description box down below. I don't want to say something, but I think I have 10% off. I don't know. Anyway, use my link if I have one, and thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.